Hey guys, it's Jenny from Simplex. Packing for a long-haul journey can oftentimes feel like a long and tedious process. Trying to remember every single essential that you have to pack in a short amount of time? Tiring. However, here at Simplex, we, once again, encourage you not to stress, as we'll be going over a comprehensive packing guide that will help you ensure that you have all the necessary items to make your long-haul trip on the road as comfortable and efficient as possible. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. To begin, we'll be separating this checklist into 6 categories, starting with clothing. Packing not only enough, but the right type of clothing depending on your destination is essential. Ensure a mix of workwear and casual attire, and remember to pack a few extra outfits. Key items obviously include pants, shirts, and underwear, but it's important that you also pay attention to the details, like packing thermal wear for cold weather, waterproof gear for rain, and a reflective vest for safety. Footwear is likewise vital. Make sure you bring high-quality work boots and comfortable shoes for your off-duty hours. 2. Food and beverages. Now, we all know that eating healthy can be a challenge on the road, but packing some nutritious snacks and meals can make a big difference. Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and protein bars are all great options. Consider investing in a mini fridge or slow cooker for your truck cab so that you can store and prepare meals. And don't forget to stay hydrated. In particular, we recommend that you opt for water and other unsweetened beverages over sugary sodas, since they are obviously much healthier for you. 3. Toiletries. Being on the road doesn't mean you should compromise on your personal hygiene. Make sure to pack a comprehensive toiletry kit. This should include a shower bag, shower shoes, grooming essentials like shaving cream, razors, deodorant, and dental care items. 4. Emergency supplies. On the road, you always have to prepare for the unexpected. This is why a well-stocked emergency kit is a must. This should include a first aid kit, flashlights, flares, extra water, non-perishable food, blankets, a pocket knife, and basic vehicle tools like a tire pressure gauge and jumper cables. 5. Cleaning supplies. A clean truck is a comfortable and safe workspace. So make sure to keep your disinfectant wipes, air fresheners, a portable vacuum, paper towels, and trash bags handy. Also, don't forget a window cleaner to keep your view clear for safe driving. And finally, number 6, entertainment. Breaking up long hours on the road with relaxation and entertainment is key. You should consider books or an e-reader, a laptop or tablet for movies, a portable game console for off time, and even a music player for tunes that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi or data. Remember, taking some time off for yourself is crucial. And there you have it, a comprehensive packing checklist for all truck drivers preparing for a long haul. Everyone is different, so feel free to modify this list to suit your personal needs and preferences. If you have any other topics that you'd like us to cover, or any other questions relating to this topic, make sure to leave a comment down below. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trucking tips and insights. Once again, we thank you so much for watching and wish you safe travels out there. I'm Jenny. See you next time.